It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select with the Sport Touring package. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth leather combination interior. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at our steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above here we have OnStar. Next is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. The engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, auto stop start, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. Part of the Sport Touring package includes the custom grille with red accents, front and rear sport bumper, IntelliBeam headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry on them, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper and the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade. We also have the tethers on the back of the rear seats and a storage compartment down below with a spare tire. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has the USB plug-ins, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.